wasn't okay with living an average life. I didn't want to feel trapped in a dead-end job. I was tired of dealing with financial limitations at every turn, people telling me what to do, and nobody ever taking me seriously. I wanted freedom. Most people think it's only possible to make as much money as their day job will allow, but that's just not true. I want people to realize that they have the power to kick their financial life into overdrive. I want to teach you some new marketing techniques that are going to help you find unbelievable deals that put tons of free equity in your pocket, and how you can turn them around and get them sold fast. You're going to learn some groundbreaking new concepts in this course, and if you execute this stuff right, you'll be able to rake in some unbelievable amounts of money through the often overlooked niche of land investing. I'm going to take you through my entire arsenal of documents, strategies, online technology, and the resources I use to find deals that most people can only dream about. We're going to cover technique and strategy so that you can find the kinds of opportunities you'll need in order to make your financial life go where it needs to go. We're going to review and practice theory so you can understand how to make this business work in a way that complements your life rather than working against it. Look, real estate investing is an incredible experience that is meant to be exciting at its core. When I was in school, I was a straight C student. But I'll tell you something else, most people in the academic world vastly underestimated what I was capable of. In a world that can be cruel and unfair and where hard work doesn't automatically result in success, this business was the first opportunity I'd ever discovered where people were rewarded based on their commitment, determination, and how smart they worked, not based on their test scores or their good grades. When I work in this business, I'm in control of my financial future. In this course, you'll learn how to find deals where nobody else is looking, make offers that seem laughably low to the average person, but the key is, you're actually going to get some of these accepted. Even if you've never spent 1 second in the real estate business, you can do this. As for the advanced investor with some experience under their belt, the sky's the limit. If you want to work your business and pursue your financial goals the way that I do, you're going to learn that in this course. If you want to work your business and pursue your financial goals, I'll show you how you can uncap your earning potential and create generational wealth that lasts long after you're gone. I'm Seth Williams, and this is the RE Tipster Club.